Good Thursday morning, the 5th of September, 2024. I'm meteorologist Robert Smith from Garden State Weather. Here we're at the boardwalk. Well, I'm not, but there are people coming in, and we can see the waves crashing now. We have a high rip current risk for today and tomorrow, uh, and we can see a few people getting on the beach right now. The boardwalk is getting busy with people just doing their early morning walk, but you can take a look at the beach here, and sunrise here was just about an hour or two ago. And we'll take a look at some other observations here in the area. Good, a bright and beautiful Thursday morning, September 5th, 2024. It's 9 o'clock in the morning here at the Garden State Weather Center. And we're looking at the webcams here in Asbury Park. You can see the waves coming in about 2-3 feet. And these waves will be building, so there's a high risk of rip currents today along the New Jersey, Delaware, and New York waters for today and tomorrow. There's a lot of people getting here on the boardwalk this morning as well, doing their morning walks. And you can take a look at this beautiful sunrise here, which occurred about an hour or so ago. And we'll get into that right now. Taking a look at about 9 o'clock this morning here at the Weather Center, we're at 64. It's sunny, feels like 77. Downsloping winds out of the northwest. It's going to be sunny today, and the pollen will be high at about 76. Really, the only fly in the ointment here is for Saturday afternoon. Some moderate pollen in the air and some rain showers, and then we clear it out nicely on Sunday. So if you have plans this weekend, most of Saturday should be okay, but there will be a lot of cloud cover building in during the afternoon hours. The morning should start off okay. Sunday is looking great. The second half of the weekend, 70. And then next week, we really warm it up from 76 up to 83, 84, 85, and 83. It's looking good out there. Right now, the temperature is 64. Feels like 77. No clouds in the air right now. It's about 5%. No precipitation. Air quality is good. UVI index is 6. That means moderate risk for today, especially after 2 o'clock. So sunscreen is a must. Dew point comfortable at 55 degrees. Humidity 67%. The wind is out of the northeast at about 10 miles and about 1 to 10 miles an hour. Pollen again is high. It's weed and grass. Visibility is better than 10, 15 miles. High pressure is in control. Sunrise was 6:28 this morning. Sunset will be at 7:21. The next full moon on September 19th. The phase of the moon right now at 15%. And moonset tonight will be at 8:26. It's a tale of two cities here. We're at 71 degrees in Seagirt, Seaside Heights, Point Pleasant by the beach, Harvey Cedars, and Jersey City as well. But temperatures this morning bottomed out into the 40s here. Woolpack's now up to 50, Sandyston 52, Charlottesburg 55, Peak West 57, and Hackettstown 58. Rutgers University Meteorology Program at Cooks College in New Brunswick. The wind is out of the northeast at about 3 miles an hour. Air temperature is 66. When we take a look at the minimum temperatures for this morning, we got down to about 46 in Woolpack, 42 here in Peak West in the Valley, in Warren County, Hackettstown 44. These were the low temperatures. Air temperatures right now are responding back into the low and mid 60s. In fact, even a few 70s here showing up at Seagirt, also in Seaside Heights. Beautiful day, Harvey Cedars at 70. It's looking real good out there. Relative humidity values are looking good too. That air is beginning to mix out. The dew points are comfortable in the low, in the mid 50s to around 60. So it's going to be a beautiful, beautiful day. And if we take a look at the radar, obviously there's nothing going on. Geocolor satellite imagery shows these are ridges here showing up. These are not clouds, but these are the ridges here showing up. Mostly clear skies. The IR band is showing absolutely clear skies, maybe some high cirrus clouds just basically to the west. And there's a lot of compression in the atmosphere this morning, so that means the air is sinking. And if we take a look at the latest from the winds here, you can see our winds coming in from the northwest here, scattering around, and then off the ocean here out of the northeast. That's why we have a high risk of rip currents for today. We will get into the National Weather Service in just a moment here. Let's pull this up. So for today, again, we've lost a couple of people in rescue. Well, we rescued a couple of people over the last couple of days here at the Jersey Shore. That remember, there's not a lot of lifeguards in these places after Labor Day. Don't swim in unguarded beaches, okay? There's a high risk of rip currents today. It'll be partly sunny at the coast, 73 to 76. High risk for rip currents developing. Inland temperatures will be about 72 to 80. Water temperatures are in the low to the mid 70s. In fact, I think if we zone this in, Sandy Hook is at almost 72, 73 degrees right now.